How to verify your identity in the Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in using your passcode or biometric login. Once logged in, you may be prompted to verify your identity to keep your account secure. Tap on the notification or the verification prompt that appears. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details such as your date of birth, full name, and address. Enter these details carefully to proceed. After that, the app may request you to verify your identity by scanning a valid photo ID like your passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions to take clear photos of your ID, making sure all details are visible. Once you have submitted all the necessary information, the app will verify your details, which may take a few moments. After successful verification, you will get a confirmation message and your account will have full access to all features securely. Now you know how to verify your identity in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.